Yun. Good morning guys, no? So napakagandang testimony to. So this morning lang isang customer natin ang nag message dito sa Paragis Dubai by Ship Aybs. Itong mababasa nyo, sabi niya, good morning po. I just want to testify this Paragis products. May Pcos po ako, sabi niya. Irregular ang menstruation ko at mababa ang MATRES ko. I never expect na magiging maayos yung takbo ng mens ko since nung nag-take ako ng Paragis Capsule and Tea. 1 pack of tea lang po ang naubos ko at 1 bottle of capsule. May natira pang capsule and now, thanks God at sa tulong ng Paragis, 4 months pregnant na po ako. At the age of 36. At first time ko po magbuntis. Wow, grabe, kinilabutan ako dito. Ito may video siyang sinin, kaya na-replyan ko siya. Sabi ko, ay wow, congrats po ma'am. Thanks God, God bless always po. So try natin i-play ang video kung ma-record ang voice niya dito sa recording voice message natin.
153. You're 30?
36.
Why didn't you check? You should take folic acid.
Can I have the heartbeat of that baby? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay. You have to do an ultrasound by the radiologist. You have to do your double marker test. Okay, that is a chromosome test.
But how about the baby? Is he?
You're almost the same date like what you have said now. 16 weeks now.
Oh my god, where is that one?
Yeah, this is the tummy.
Uh-huh. Really? Oh my god. Thanks God. Oh my god.
You have to take folic acid.
I just only heard I went to my GP yesterday and she gave me this folic acid, this Pregnacare.
Okay, now you
Because-
started. 16
Yeah.
weeks, 3 days, 142 grams is your baby.
But I know the last time that I had the menstruation is November 22.
That is corresponding. You're 16 weeks now.
This coming 22 is my 16 weeks, right?
Now you're
Or-
16. Now you're already 16.
It's already 16.
Okay?
Oh
Baby's
my
fine.
God.
Baby's fine. See, what we are doing is...
So yun. Kontuwa si ma'am, no? Kasi nga first time niya pa lang mabuntis sa edad niyang 36. So ma'am, congratulations in advance. Opo, so maraming salamat sa tiwala mo sa product ng Paragis Ship Aybs, you know, Paragis Dubai by Ship Aybs. So tuloy-tuloy lang po, and then sa mga may problema dyan sa kalusugan at sa pagbubuntis, delay ng menstruation, so why not na i-try nyo yung product na Paragis by Ship Aybs, you know. Ito ang testimony ni mama at nakatulong talaga sa kanyang paggamit o pag-iinom ng Paragis. So yung ininom niyang Paragis ay yung Paragis Tea, Paragis Pure Tea, and Paragis Pure Capsule. So yan ang mga ininom niya, sinabi niya dito sa video. So maraming salamat po, God bless, and have a nice day po. Thank you.